Hello, everyone. This is Linda. Today is Wednesday. It's Wednesday. I hope you all are having a beautiful day. As you can see, the sun is out. Yesterday, I had a gorgeous day. Still a little chilly, but it was a beautiful day. Beautiful. Matter of fact, I spent a lot of time in my garden yesterday. Yeah, y'all, I'm just trying to prepare. I'm preparing. Yes. But first of all, I want to thank you all so much for all the beautiful birthday wishes. Yes. And I got a lot of them. I mean, a lot. Um, that I can really sit back and just smile on them. I got enough to smile on them and hold me tight till next year. And I want to thank you all so much for that. It was just so beautiful. Yeah. And yesterday, on my birthday, I received some mail. Yes, I received some mail from my beautiful, beautiful Mama Four. Mama Four. Kara, she sent me a beautiful, this is my first Christmas card of the season. And this is from Kara, mom of four, and I love it. I love the card and how it just brings you on a little journey. So let's see if we can get it open. Oh, here we go, this way. So it's the card, then it's another one. Hey, yes. It says, Merry Christmas. Wishing you a wonderful holiday season from Mama Four. All right. I want to thank you all, Mama Four and the babies. Yes. I want to thank you so much. And I'm going to put this up, and you should be receiving yours. Today or tomorrow, it should be there. But I have sent out a lot of Christmas cards to the family members here on YouTube that I do have your address. So those that I do have, look for your cards because I've mailed them already. But I have I wrote a list last night and I did have about four more. So I'm going to put that in the mail today. Today. Yes, yes. But anyway, guys, I hope you all have a beautiful day. So I want to tell you all, just give you an update on what you're going to see on my channel tomorrow. So tomorrow, what I'm going to be talking about is what is new that is going on in the garden for 2019. Yeah, there's a trend going on. They got a trend going on. Matter of fact, I want to talk about two particular trends that is happening in the garden for 2019. One of them, I'm a part of it. I'm whole in. I'm all in on one of them. The second one, I'm in, but not so deep. So tomorrow, look for that video, and I'm gonna tell you guys what's going on in the world of gardening. Yes, for 2019. hmm You know, I like to make changes in my garden. And well, it doesn't have to be a lot of changes, but I like to do some things differently. I like to plant something different I've never planted before. I want a flower that I never planted before. Maybe a fruit or a vegetable that I've never had before or planted before in my garden. So, yeah, that's what I like to do every year. So, last year it was the broccoli romanesco. I kind of failed at that one, but I tried. Well, it was 2 years now, 2 seasons I tried, but I did eat it, but it didn't look like that. No, it didn't look like that. But I'm not gonna stop though. I'm gonna say that. But even today, we've been having temperatures like 34, 35. Yeah, and it's still bolting out there. They are still bolting. So, what I did the other day, I planted some fresh seeds, not the seeds that I harvested from last year. I planted some seeds that was left over from my original seeds. And I'm saying, well, maybe it's the seeds because, they bolted, I don't know. I never heard of that before, but you never know. So I just tried. So we'll see. But I'm going to show you some new plants, flowers, because, I plant by seed. But a neighbor did give me some plants, but I'm going to show you that. And I'm going to show you what's new I'm going to be planting in my garden, vegetables and flowers for 2019. Yeah, it should be fun. And one of the trends I'm talking about, I would like two of you gardeners to come along with me and do it also. So once I tell you all about it, and I will, I know you would want to. Someone will. Let's say that. Yes. But anyway, guys, I hope you all have a beautiful, beautiful Wednesday. Yeah, I'm going to, I have to go out for a minute and then I'm going to come back home. And yeah, I've been drinking coffee like crazy this morning. I've been up since about 6:30. And yeah, but I'm going to go out in my garden and just try to get some things together because I'm closing off some stuff and opening some stuff up. Yeah, it's going to be a little different. And I like it. It's a new different. Yeah. But anyway, guys, have a wonderful day. Later, y'all.